path towards the new, in which we are narrators of a personal story. What we have in mind takes shape and changes along with our movement in space. Dinamika is the technological evolution of a material that has life at its core. It responds with a natural vibrancy to the beating heart of the world. Conca's passion and experience produce unique and unrepeatable surfaces with infinite patterns. Form, design, and structure perfectly coincide in a dimension of time and space that can only be traced to the individual's experience. Dinamika offers immersive experiences in which the third dimension of depth enhances every single detail. We promote a new form of expression to create a broader design vision that can spread and generate beauty.